Hello everyone, welcome to Pepcoding. So we are back again with another question, and this is remove at index in linked list. In this question, we have to remove a node from between the list from here. We have already removed from first and from last. Now we have to remove from here. So what will we do? What will we do here is okay, fine. So, in this question, we will first check if idx is less than 0 or idx is greater than equals to self.size. Then we will not do anything and we will just print invalid arguments. Else if index is equals to 0, then we will just call the function remove first. And in case you haven't solved this question, which is remove first, which name is remove first, then I suggest you to go and solve that question first, see the video, then you will understand what this function will do, because we already have this function and that's why we will not write it down again and again. Now if index is equals to self dot size minus 1, then we will call remove last, and remove last is also has been solved, so you can go and check previous questions. This will remove the last node and this will remove the first node. Now in the else part we will do our work. Temp is equals to self dot head and I is equals to 0, and we will run a loop while I is less than idx minus 1. This is the point which I want to discuss here. Why I minus 1? Because for say idx is equals to 3 and I is here, temp is also here, and 0 1 2, this is 2 3 and 4, so we have to remove this node. So I will just increase I and I will give the next to temp. Then again I will increase I till I reach the point idx minus 1, which is 2. So here I have reached this point. At this point what I will do is I will just store in temp dot next. I will store temp dot next, which means this node will not point this node will point this node, and this connection will break, and once this connection will break, then there will be no any node present in between these two nodes, and the new list will be look like this. This node will point this, this node will point this, and then I will just decrease the size of my list by 1. So let's try to code and then we will see if we are right or not. So if idx is less than 0 or idx is greater than equals to self dot size, if this is the condition, then print invalid arguments. Else if idx is equals to 0, then I will simply call this function, which is remove first. Copy. Where is remove at? Here. Paste. This will be like self dot remove first. And else if idx is equals to self dot size minus 1, then I will call remove last. Copy and paste. Else I will create temp, pass self dot head in it, I is equals to 0, and I will run a loop while I is less than idx minus 1. Then temp is equals to temp dot next. I have to move my temp forward, and I is plus equals to 1. After I reach the point, I will just simply store temp dot in temp dot next is equals to temp dot next, and then self dot size minus equals to 1. From here, my node will point this is my list, and if my temp is present here, then in the next of my temp, the address of this node will store, and then this node will be deleted. That's what we have to do in this question. So I hope you understand. Let's see if my code is running or running fine correctly or not. Okay. Yeah, the code is running fine. Let me submit the code, and then we will see if it is correct answer or not. Why is it taking? Okay, correct answer. So our code is running absolutely fine. I hope you understand the concept here. So we'll meet in next question again. Thank you so much.